Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Geo 5G SIM is active and your tariff includes 5G. Next, verify your phone is 5G capable and updated to the latest firmware so bands and carriers function correctly. Once done, enable 5G in your mobile network settings and perform a quick restart to force re-registration on the network. This ensures your device negotiates the correct bands and clears transient connection state before moving to optimization. You now optimize environment and radio behavior. Position yourself where base station signals are less obstructed. Near a window or higher floor improves line of sight and reduces building attenuation. Then inspect your phone's network band info. Where possible, choose the preferred 5G NR band with stronger signal. Make sure to close bandwidth-heavy apps and toggle airplane mode briefly to force the modem to reattach. This clears congested sessions and often lands you on a better cell or band. You finish by applying advanced tweaks. If reception is marginal, use a device that supports carrier aggregation and MIMO or an approved external antenna to boost throughput. Make sure APN and network settings match Geo's recommended values. If problems persist, reset network configuration to clear misconfigurations. If you still have poor performance, collect signal metrics and the cell ID. Then contact Geo support. Provide those logs so technicians can check tower provisioning or perform a local fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.